In steel profile processing, the placement of profiles can easily shift, leading to misaligned cuts and non-vertical cut holes. Additionally, non-standard profile dimensions can cause various cutting issues, such as head collisions, jamming, and incomplete wing plate cuts. By using the BLT cutting head with the BCW contour scanner and employing both coarse and fine visual positioning, we can measure and compensate for deviations between the steel profile workpiece and the blueprint in real time. This ensures machining precision and stability, avoiding many cutting problems caused by discrepancies between the drawings and the actual workpieces. Additionally, with the Tubes T steel profile nesting software, it seamlessly integrates with Tekla, enabling efficient drawing and nesting, optimizing tool paths, and automatically printing part names and welding positions on parts. This simplifies traditional workflows, and with circular nesting, helps factories reduce costs and increase efficiency.